So here we have the pistons installed on the connecting rods. I had made a video about that, but the video screwed up, so I can only show you the after. It was simple, lubed everything up, slide the piston pin through the piston, install this little snap ring. I'm not really sure if you can see it there. It just fits into a groove. There's a tool here. Slide the snap ring over this groove, or over this tool, and it expands the ring so it slides onto the piston pin and snaps in place into the groove in there, thereby holding the piston pin, keeping it from moving out. I had previously installed the snap ring on the far side, so it was a simple matter of only doing one. And what I can show you is a couple of the modifications that I did to these pistons. First off, you can see that the piston skirt has this kind of grayish look to it. I sprayed something called micro slick coating on the piston skirts. It holds oil better and helps to lubricate, and it's impregnated into the metal so that under load, even if oil pressure drops, the piston is lubricated. Second of all, I had mentioned that flatheads always used 3 compression rings and no oil control ring, and I had to change that. As you can see, the oil control ring is much thicker than the standard compression rings, so I had to have the machine shop enlarge the size of this groove to fit the 3-piece oil control ring. And then last but not least, for these piston jets that I created, had to notch a little smidge out of each of the pistons where they would come in contact with that, so that they do not come in contact with the piston jets. And there you have it. Pistons installed. Next stop, cylinders.